There are many ways to change the color of your pages in InDesign. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to do so. It's quick and easy and by far the best method. So let's get into it. So the first way we are going to change the color of this paper is to actually have this color printed when we are printing. Alright, so we're going to go, and what you need to do is you need to actually create an element and make it a color. So let's go and choose this rectangle tool. And we are going to make a shape over this page, and we need to make it a little bit larger than the actual page itself. So what we can do now on the right hand side where it says appearance and fill is we can actually fill it with a color. Let's open it up and let's use this color here. Now, as you can see, currently it's over my text and every other element. So what we're going to do, we're going to close this, we're going to right click on it. We're going to look for arrange, and we can just send it to the back. Now you can see that this is going to be the print. Alright, so when you're printing this document, this will be the color it will print in. But let's say that you're printing on a piece of paper that is this color and you would like to preview what your design looks like before you print it. So we're going to remove the rectangle and we're going to just use our select tool on the left hand side and make sure that we're clicking anywhere on the background over here. We're going to go up to window and you're going to go and have a look for your swatches. Alright, so you're looking for color and in here you'll find swatches. Now this will appear over here on the right hand side. This is what it looks like, and what we have here is, let's just make this bigger. What we have here is this paper color, and if you're using this one with the word paper in brackets, what it's doing is it's allowing you to preview a color. So let's double click on this, and here you can change the color. Make sure you're selecting preview. Let's move it out the way and let's create a color. Once you're happy, click OK. Now you can preview your design on this paper color, but when you print it, it will still come out white.